problem that almost everybody preparing for GMAT has. It's a speed problem. I don't know how many times I've heard this. That's the biggest problem that I face is that 2-minute thing. I can't just solve questions in 2 minutes. Before I talk about it, let me talk about my nephew. My nephew is in 7th class right now. If I give him an 8th class problem, okay, and that's something that I've given him sometimes, he can really wrestle through it and figure out a solution in some way. And of course, that's the right way, but he really spends a lot of time figuring that out. It's really a challenge for him. He may take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour to solve that question. On the other hand, if I give him a problem from 6th class book, he can really solve it within 2 minutes. Now the thing is that he's taking 15 minutes on a problem from an 8th class book and 2 minutes on a problem from a 6th class book. Think about it. What is his problem while doing an 8th class problem? Is his problem speed? His problem is not speed, as probably you can understand. The problem is skills. He doesn't have as much clarity while solving an 8th class problem as he has while solving a 6th class problem. He's very comfortable with the 6th class problem. He's not comfortable at all with an 8th class problem. That's the case with all of us. The problem is not speed. The point is we are not comfortable with those things. If we try to solve them fast, we'll get them wrong, and that's the experience people have, that okay, once they increase their speed, they start getting questions wrong, and they think, oh, speed is the problem, that's why I'm getting questions wrong. No, clarity or skills is the problem. So the way to increase speed is not by working on the speed. You can't directly work on speed. Speed is a consequence of the skills. If you find those questions pretty easy, if you find those questions really easy to handle, then you won't need as much time to solve those questions. You will be easily able to solve those questions in 2 minutes. So never think that speed is a problem. Speed is always a symptom. And generally the problem is at the skill level, at the clarity level. If you increase your clarity, your skill to the next level, then you will find that you can solve those questions within 2 minutes. So don't worry about speed. Worry about building skills.